Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new topic in which I will explain how you can factory data reset your device, Realme 9i. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If you want to reset your device or like it was the new device, you want to reset the all as it was the settings of the factory settings, you can do it by the way I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about the factory data reset of Realme 9i. Let's watch the video.